We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Revit architecture software.
In this video, demonstrate how to create a column in Revit family using Revolve tool, and also shows how to load this column family to our project. Go to Home tab and click on New under Family. Now a dialog box is opened. Select the metric column family template file. Here I will show a pillar that we are going to draw. This pillar is created by using Revolve tool. Revolve is a form that you create by revolving a shape around an axis. You can revolve the shape in a circle or any fraction of a circle. For showing Revolve tool, we are opening an elevation view. Click on Create tab. Revolve tool is choose from Forms panel. Take the boundary line option and sketch the profile for the pillar using these drawing tools. After finishing the boundary line, take axis line option and draw or pick the axis line using draw tools. This is the axis to make the shape revolve around it. If the axis touches the revolve shape, the result will be a solid. If you sketch the axis away from the boundary, the resulted geometry will have a hole in it. Click on the Finish button. Now you can see the pillar that we have drawn. Next, we will show how to load this pillar into a project. Save this family file. Come to Home tab. Click on New under the Models. Select Architecture Template. Click on Column tool in Architecture. Using Load Family option, we can load the column file that we saved earlier. Click on the location you want to place it. Now the new column is loaded in our project. While you creating the family, if you define the dimensions as a parametric dimension, you can change the dimensions of inserted column within the project. To learn more about parametric dimension, please refer our other tutorial videos. Thanks for watching this video.